Hari ini kita akan melakukan perjalanan ke Curug Bulao. Mungkin bagi saya ini yang pertama kalinya untuk ke Curug Bulao.
Satu,
Ibang, mana suaranya Ibang?
2, 4, coy.
Halo, gimana nih tentang Curug Bulao? Kebetulan anak kan udah
Enak.
pernah.
Ya, curugnya enak buat mandi. Kalau daerah Cisarua inilah paling enak buat mandi.
Anak,
Anak, terjun lah, terjun.
There's a ghost inside me. It all belongs to the other side. We live, we love, we lie. We live, we love, hello, nice to meet you. Voice inside my head. Hello, I believe you. How can I forget? Is this the place that I come home to find what I've become? Walk along the path unknown. We live, we love, we lie. Deep in the dark, I don't need the light. There's a ghost inside me. It all belongs to the other side. We live, we love, we lie. We love, we
Dulunya, mantap.
I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths, Achilles and his gold, Hercules and his gift.